Okay, so we're going to talk about how to pay your Part A and Part B premiums. This is for people who actually get a premium bill from Medicare. Most people don't, but I still wanted to make sure you understood the purpose of making a Medicare.gov account and how to pay your Medicare premiums. So, if it's not deducted directly from your Social Security benefit payment or Railroad Retirement benefit payment, you basically will get a bill every quarter. If it's Part B only, if you have to pay for Part A, hospital insurance as well, some people do. Some people don't get it at no cost. Or if you have to pay Part D, as in drugs, IRMA. So that's income related monthly adjustment amount, meaning these insurances here with Medicare is based on income. So the more income that you have coming in on an annual basis, the more you actually pay. Those things are monthly. So what will happen is you have four ways you can pay your Medicare premium bill. Okay. So you can just go online through your Medicare account, which is the fastest way, like it states here. That's why making that account at Medicare.gov was so important. You can pay online. You can use a credit card, debit card, have it checking the savings, or you can set up Easy Pay where it automatically comes out of your savings and checking account. So it's up to you. You can also just pay directly from your savings and checking account, like it states here, through your bank online, like through bill pay. Or you can just mail in your payment. So once you get that quarterly bill, you can send in a payment. But when you do that, if it's Part B, you have to send in the amount. Um, a lot of times that quarterly amount, sometimes people feel like you have to send in a whole amount. You can break that up if you want to send it in, but you only will have that one bill statement. It's quicker and easier to pay it online if you have access or someone can help you pay it online. And you have to make sure if you do send it in, make sure if you're sending like information about credit card or debit card, you have to make sure you sign it and then use the return envelope here to pay. So at the Medicare Premium Collection Center here in St. Louis. But what we're going to do here is focus on setting up the Easy Pay or paying directly online. So let's do that. So, like I said, Easy Pay is a simple way. If you want to make sure that the payments come out automatically, you don't want to have to worry about it. Easy Pay will just make sure Medicare will take it out on the 20th of each month. You will see the statement in regards to your premiums, Medicare premiums on your bank statement. And it's very simple, but it does take about 6 to 8 weeks for your automatic deduction to start. So, this is why it's so important before your Medicare becomes effective. So, when they tell you to sign up for Medicare 3 to 4 months before the month you turn 65, it's because Medicare takes time. It takes them about 10 to 12 weeks before you get your card. And then it takes time if you're a person who have to set up something like this, which is Medicare Easy Pay. Another reason why you might need to do Medicare Easy Pay is because even though you might get Social Security later, you're not taking your Social Security now. So if you don't take your Social Security now or railroad retirement, you still need to set up a way to pay Medicare, and they're still going to send a quarterly bill unless you have something set up with them. So that's important to understand. So later, let's say once you fully retire from your job and you want to take your Social Security retirement benefits, then you can have it come out of your Social Security check. They will switch it automatically for you. So let's go here. So we already logged into one of my clients' payment information here. In this plan, you could show here um, that you can make a payment. And so here, my client's already set up already for Medicare Easy Pay because it's easier for them, and I help set that up. And it just tells you here the information before you make a payment to make sure you can pay all of your payments here, Part A, Part B, and Part D IRMA premiums online. Okay. So it also tells you here if you pay with a credit card, debit card, or HSA, your statement will show basically CMS Medicare insurance for that premium payment, okay, or CMS Medicare Premiums. So it could be different. So payments are due on the 25th of each month. It says allow 5 business days. So it's very simple. You just go in here, you click credit card if you wanted to do a credit debit card, and then you put in the amount you want to pay, and then you can go ahead and say pay through pay.gov. Now, when you're setting up, let's say checking a savings account there, and you're setting it up for the first time, it's going to give you an option here to basically, let's see here, make a payment information. So you have to put account holder's name, your account routing number, and then you continue there and confirm it. And then once it's confirmed, then you're all set and good to go. If you do pay with a credit or debit card, I mean, you kind of get the idea here. It does the same thing. It moves you to the next step, and then you just put the information here and it continue and you follow the steps from there. So it's very easy to do, but I advise if you want to make sure that it comes out, you're not missing any type of payment when it comes to your Medicare, CMS payments, and things like that, that you go ahead and set up Medicare Easy Pay. Okay? All right. All right. So, yeah, like I said, just set up the Medicare Easy Pay and it'll happen for you automatically. All right. Have a good one. Stay blessed.